All right, welcome to the situation update for Monday, April 12th, 2021. This is Mike Adams here. We've got something very unusual planned for you here today. Okay, to my editor, go ahead and roll the video. So what you're looking at here is my digital microscope, and I've been filming experiments in the morphology of crystallography. And what you're seeing here is some videos I took over the weekend of a melted xylitol solution reforming into a crystal shape. It's taking advantage of what's called morphic resonance or morphic fields, a concept that was pioneered by Rupert Sheldrake, and I'll be talking about this in my upcoming presentation and my new audiobook that's due out in a couple of weeks called The Contagious Mind. It's going to be a free download for you. But what you're looking at is, without 5G, a xylitol crystal taking shape. And I want you to notice that it is symmetrical. It looks beautiful. It looks like a flower. And this video is speeded up. It's slower than this in real time. But this is video that I took myself on my microscope. Now we're going to show you shortly here what happens when you have a 4G cell phone nearby. Now, I don't have a 5G cell phone, so I couldn't test 5G, but you're about to see what happens with 4G. And we're going to go through this a couple times, but here we go. Now with 4G, notice the chaos of this shape. It's no longer symmetrical, no longer looks like a flower. It looks chaotic, it looks incoherent, it looks like noise. And this is nothing but cell phones. We actually had two cell phones, both transmitting. One was calling the other, so they were both transmitting to the cell towers. And these are the shapes that it's forming. Again, this is speeded up somewhat, but this is actually how it looks under the microscope. And again, these are xylitol crystals, which are made of nothing but carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So there's no crazy elements in here. It's just common elements, but they're forming a shape, a morphology that is disturbed by the 4G cell signals. Notice the jagged edges, especially on the top left there, totally jagged. The center is completely disrupted. There, I zoomed out a little bit. Update from Monday, April 12th, 2021. This is Mike Adams here. We've got something very unusual planned for you here today.